What is up, guys? I'm here with my cousin Alex in his 2015 WRX STI. He hit me up today and he was like, "Hey, cuz, what you doing?" I was like, "Nothing, slide by." And he told me he wanted to install some mud flaps today. So that's what we're gonna do today. Try to install those. Alright, so the first step you want to do is we pull the car in the garage, we get it on a nice even surface, and then we turn the wheel so we had more space to wiggle in here. There's 3 clips here. See them right there. They have like a screw in the middle. You unscrew it to the left a little bit, and then they pop right off. Some of them don't pop off, but we kind of broke one, but you don't really need them because it came with some more in the box. Alright, so we installed the first one. There's 2 S clips on the top, and then there's 1 C clip on the bottom. The S clips are the ones that have, like, if you turn it to the side, they kind of look like an S, and then the bottom one's obviously the name. The bottom one, it's just only like a C-shaped clip. That one goes on the bottom, and there's 2. The other 2 go on the top. You pop those in, and then together with the flap and the bracket on the back, you go from top to bottom. So you do the top one, and then the bottom one, and the bottom one, and then on the inside, all you use is a little plastic clip attached to the metal bracket that's on the back. It's not too hard. And then the same thing, obviously, with the other side in the front. Look how good these cars look together, especially. Alright, now, but for real, we got the front ones done. They weren't that hard. It was just, like I said, 3 clips and then the little pop clip on the side. Just removing those, putting the C clips, the bracket, and then the actual mud flap on the front, and then you just screw it into the clips. Super easy. Just make sure you turn the wheels, give yourself enough space, and from there you should be good. Let's just try out the back, see how that goes. The back looks a little bit more difficult since we can't turn the wheels. We don't have get my flash up. We don't have too much space to work with. So we might have to take the wheels. We might have to take the back wheels off. Hopefully not. Let's see. Alright, so we got the back ones. Me and Alex thought that would be to install, but they actually weren't that bad. There's 3 clips on the bottom here. I took them out personally because he has a side skirt on it. I didn't want to like ruin it or anything or bend it or crack it. The only bolt you really have to take out clip is that one right there. I don't know if you can see it. Hold up. Is that one right there? You take that one out and then you slide the bracket in. I'll show you guys a better example on the other side since we haven't done that yet. That's the last one we have to do. You slide the bracket in between the plastic on the bottom and the body panel. So it's like sandwiches in between. And then you put a C clip. The C clip goes in this middle one. This middle one right here. The top has like a screw already welded on there. And all you have to do is put the washer and the bolt and screw that on. Same on the top one and on the far one on the other side over there. You might have to take the wheel off to fasten this middle one. What we did is we took a pair of pliers and we just tightened it as tight as we could because we're lazy and we don't really want to take the wheel off. Pretty tight. I mean, this thing is not coming off unless he runs over like a deer or something, you know. Hey, you never know. Out here in the woods, you never know. Just ask my mom, you know. So my mom ran over, I think it was 3 deers in 1 week, bro. She ran over 3 deers in 1 week. Her insurance hated her after that. So I kind of forgot to show you guys. I got a little bit too excited. I finished it. But like I said, I'll walk you like thoroughly through it. Like I said, you first take out that clip. There's a clip right under there. Right there. Take that clip out. And then you stick your bracket in. Your metal bracket. I don't know if you can see it. You can see it right there. That metal bracket goes in between the body panel and the plastic cover. There's the plastic cover in the back. Goes in between there. And then you stick the pin back in. The plastic plug, you stick that one back into the hole. You align the panel, the bracket, and the plastic cover, protective cover, and then you insert the C-clip on the middle one, just like I said on the other side, on the middle one to the bracket, and the body panel, and then you take the mud flap and you align it to the top hole, the top nut, and the bottom nut. And what I found was best, I aligned those two, and then I stuck the middle one in. I screwed the middle one in, and then I aligned. And you could align the top one and the bottom one as you wish. You could push it in and out however you'd like. We have it somewhat like in the middle, not too in, not too out. So it looks good. We think it looks good right there. And pretty much that's it.